What's up, guys? We're back in the middle of nowhere, out here representing the 4th of July. A little bit early. It's alright though. Might as well. Oh. That was not cool. We're doing some wheelies out here. We got Garrett rides. Just screwing around. I got some new tires and new chains, so I feel a little odd. He's rolling by in second gear. Hey, Garrett. I got some tires for sale. $10 hairs if you want them. I thought you said you wanted to buy my old tire for $10. As a matter of fact, I take offense. What if the sprinklers turn on and you just die? Custom slick sounds pretty good to me. Let's do some stuff. He's got the macaroni and cheese on the GROM. I'm just sitting by here watching him. I want to eat it up. But he's not stopping for me. That's for sure. I don't think he's stopping for anybody. Look at that foot. He's like rolling it around like a tennis ball on a sore leg. Oh yeah. These similes are getting better every episode that I do. That felt really good, actually. That flowed through it. That felt good. That was very smooth. Just ripping it right over top. These tires are perfect. Gay? Yeah. Say that again about the tires? They look gay? What? Huh? Macaroni and cheese is gay. I bet you can't chase me though. I'm just kidding. I love mac and cheese. Don't get mad, guys. Mac and cheese is probably one of my favorite foods. These dirt tires kind of work. I mean, they're kind of working. Thank you. What's up? You guys are in the video. You're probably hearing Garrett's macaroni and cheese engine wherever he's at. Oh, he's all the way down there. Huh. It's a merit badge, but it's red, white, and blue, so that would go perfect. This is the newest installment. Right here, we got the badge. This thing is flopping around like a fish in a pickle jar. Yeah, that's right. You guys keep Meyer in that roll-in angle. Whoa. What is he doing? Whoa, you can't do that. That's illegal. That is illegal. You can't ride on the sidewalk. I'm just kidding. He gave me a merit badge. Life-saving merit badge. Chemistry merit badge. Water sports fun. Yeah. It's for me. No, I don't like Zachary's Peter. Get back here, boy. What the heck? You're gonna break your bike. What are you doing? Make the turn. Hooligan! Hooligan! We're in Mexico. We're out here in Mexico City. We're doing this live out here in Mexico. He's actually a worker. He was doing his back deck earlier today, and now we're doing this. He said $50 an hour. You said $50 an hour, right? Mexico City, you'll build my back deck? Okay. Sí, senor.